Solve the following trigonometric equation. We know that tangent is sine over cosine and cotangent is cosine over sine, so the left-hand side can be rewritten as sine of x over cosine of x plus cosine of x over sine of x is equal to the right-hand side. The left-hand side can be rewritten with a common denominator, which is sine of x times cosine of x. So the left-hand side becomes sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x over sine of x times cosine of x is equal to the right-hand side. We know that sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is equal to 1. It's the main trigonometric identity. And also we know a double angle formula that sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine of theta times cosine of theta. If we multiply by a half and by 2, it's just 1. We get that the left-hand side becomes 1 over a half times sine of 2x is equal to 8 times cosine of 2x. Multiplying both sides by this, we get that 1 is 4 times sine of 2x times cosine of 2x, and applying the same double angle formula, again we get that 1 is 2 times sine of 4x, and then sine of 4x is a half, and sine is equal to some value, or cosine is equal to some value, can be solved using a unit circle. Sine, it's y value, and y value to be a half. The solutions are angles corresponding to point A and corresponding to point B. Then we find supplementary angles. They are always between x-axis and our rays, and to find them we take the absolute value of this, because in general it may be negative. So sine to be a half, it's 30 degrees of pi over 6 in radians, so pi over 6 is here and pi over 6 is here. And then we write solutions for x. This argument is, the first solution is 0 is here, in anti-clockwise there are positive, in clockwise there are negative angles, so the first solution, it's directly pi over 6 plus any number of complete revolutions plus 2 pi k, where k is any integer, or for x is this solution corresponding to point B. You can see that it's pi over 6 less than pi, because this is 180 or pi. So for x is pi minus pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6, and also plus 2 pi k. Then we solve for x. X is pi over 24 plus pi k over 2, or 12 pi k over 24 to be with the same denominators, or x is 5 pi over 24 plus 12 pi k over 24. Then we take integer values of k to get x to be from the required region. When k is 0, x is pi over 24 and it's from the required region. So it's the answer, one possible solution. Then when k is 1, it's 13 pi over 24, it's also from the required region. When k is 2 or greater, it becomes greater than pi, and k also can be negative. When k is negative 1 or less, x is less than 0. And for this, x is 5 pi over 24, it's from the required region. When k is 1, it becomes 17 pi over 24, it's also from the required region. When k is 2, it becomes, when k is 2 or greater, x becomes greater than pi, and when k is negative, x is less than 0. So there are 4 solutions in total. And that's all for this question.